Stucco on low-rise wood frame construction is ubiquitous across the country, and there's failures everywhere.
Stucco itself is designed to take on moisture. Now, the problem, if not installed properly, is mold, degradation, breakdown, structural collapse.
We're trying to determine what are the most impactful changes that we can make to improve performance on stucco assemblies and to reduce risk for clients.
What we have done is recreated a test based off of ASTM to conduct pretty much the efficiency of drainage in stucco assemblies with or without a drainage mat. And then we also improperly installed a drainage mat just to see what will happen. From our findings, we have determined that the drainage mat is crucial to the install of the stucco.
Say you include a drainage mat in the stucco assembly, there is a cost associated with that. By doing our research, we can confidently be able to tell our clients the true value of these cost increases because we can demonstrate just how dramatically it reduces risk on our project.